Steve again from BB Keys Sounds. That was Easy Lover by Phil Bailey and Phil Collins. To start off with, I've got the bass synth notes on the F sharp and F. And then adding in the synth. And then you may have noticed I triggered a velocity sensitive brass on the C sharp, D sharp and F here. So and then I'll come in with the verses. I've got a piano programmed here on the mid keyboard section. And that's pretty much how I play the rest of the song. So the bridges section. And also the Phil Collins section. And that's Easy Lover by Phil Bailey and Phil Collins. Thank you very much for watching.